Hey there, ever had one of those days when you were just so not up for anything? You just wanted to binge on chocolates or maybe chips and watch shows you've already seen. Well, I was there for 3 months. And you know what? I was stuck. Not just lazy stuck, but hello darkness, my old friend kind of stuck. Depression isn't just like sadness. It's like wearing sunglasses indoors. Everything's darker than it actually is. Hi, I'm Lipika Sood. I'm an interior designer, a motivational speaker, an artist and a poet, and I love sharing beautiful things with you. So we are talking about depression here. But here's the thing. I didn't stay there. And today I am going to actually share 3 things that helped me shift from that low, lonely zone to laughing at memes again and dancing in my kitchen like no one's watching. Sounds simple. Well, first, move before you feel like it. Yes, no, really, not that simple. It's not. I was glued to the bed. But one day, I told myself, just walk to the gate. That's it. Not a jog, not a gym, just the gate. And guess what? I ended up walking for 20 minutes. Movement releases endorphins, the tiny cheerleaders in your brain. And no, you don't have to do Zumba or climb Everest. Just start small. Even a power walk to the fridge counts on some days. Number 2, talk. Even if it's messy. I just didn't want to talk to anybody. And I'm sure that happens to a lot of us. I thought I was a strong, independent person who doesn't need help. But I broke down on a video call with my best friend while holding a spoon of peanut butter in my hand. I said, I don't know what's wrong with me. And she replied, you don't have to. Just talk. That moment cracked open something in me. Talking doesn't solve it all, but it's that crack where the light gets in. Number 3, create something. Yes, even if it sucks. I picked up my paintbrush after years. As a kid, I used to love painting. I've painted all my life, I thought, but then there was this huge break when I thought I could never get back to it again. The first few things I painted looked like God knows what, maybe some toddler's tantrum, but I felt alive. Creating something, yes, art, poetry, a playlist, gave my emotions an outlet. You don't have to be good, you just have to start. It's okay to not be okay. Depression doesn't vanish overnight. But these 3 things, moving, talking, creating, were like tiny lifeboats that helped me reach the shore. And today, I still have off days, let me tell you. I'm sure all of us have. But now I know what to do when the blues show up uninvited. If you're in that place, please know you're not alone. And it gets better. With a little push, a little paint, and maybe some peanut butter, which I love. I love you. I believe in you. Keep smiling. Till next time.